Grouping apps into folders is a pretty common way to keep things organized on Android, and a lot of phones will even do this by default. But how do you remove an app and get it out of a folder? The easiest way to remove apps from folders is to simply pull them out, but depending on the phone, your timing needs to be just right. On my Samsung phone, for example, if I tap and hold an app for too long, the phone takes me to the home screen, thinking I'm trying to add this app to the home screen. Sure, the app goes to the home screen by doing this, but when I go back, you'll see how it did not get removed from the folder. To move it out of the folder, I'll need to tap, hold, and then start moving it rather quickly. Also, on this Samsung phone, I can't drag it to the sides. Nothing happens when I do that. But when I drag the app on the top or bottom where there's more empty space, my phone understands I'm trying to get it out of the folder and takes me back to the app drawer, where I can then find a new place for this app. After that, it's gone from the folder and sits now in the app drawer where I can access it with a single tap. So, go to a folder, find your app, tap and hold, and then pull the app out of the folder. That's really it. This might behave slightly differently depending on what type of Android phone you're using, but the steps are the same. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks all.